So I wanted to hop on and explain a little bit about what the practical part is going to be for next week. So it's going to be set up similarly, but it's going to be kind of like a practical and a skills check combined. So instead of like you and the patient getting a case and reviewing it and going through the whole like eval, you're basically going to get a diagnosis and then you are going to answer a couple questions about it. How does it present? What would you see? What might the mechanism of injury get? What might the mechanism of injury be? Those types of things, kind of just different characteristics or presentations of each diagnosis. Then you'll go into like a skills check part, right? So then you will look at range of motion, strength, palpation, special tests, joint mobs, manual intervention. But it'll be kind of just perform this, perform that. So it'll be a little bit more like rapid fire. So it's going to be basically like everybody gets like a 15 to 20 minute window for like their treatment part. But then there will be like a write-up of like the questions you would have answered or asked, or the answers to the questions that I ask, and all your objective measurements. And then just kind of like, kind of what their prognosis would be based on, the diagnosis. So that is what is going to happen. So that's going to be, instead of us having like that extra skills check, that's just going to become like part of the practical. So it's going to look a little bit different. So we're kind of working in a different way so that you guys have to kind of think about other characteristics of that diagnosis. So hopefully that makes sense. So I will be doing all of those Wednesday and Friday. And I do have a schedule that I will post probably tomorrow. And that will be kind of that. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And then I will also be posting an announcement of asking if you guys are okay with starting the written midterm at 9 on Thursday instead of 8. You'll still have an hour to do it, but Dr. Kiefer is going to proctor that, and so if you guys are able to start it at 9, that would be very helpful, and I didn't think you guys would mind sleeping in. So I want to post that so you guys can respond back to me if there is any issue with that being a little bit later. So I need responses and acknowledgement on that. So hopefully that makes sense. If you do have any questions, email me. That's just probably the easiest way for me to contact you all. We'll talk more about it Friday morning, but just so you guys have a heads up. Okay, I'll see you guys bright and early Friday morning.